Okay, today we are getting out of here the 1928 Chevy four-door sedan, and yep, its body's looking pretty good on it. Let's just look at the back here. Bumper's looking really good. The body is really good, actually, on the back there. You can see the interior is all eaten, but there. Even the wood on the roof, a lot of it's still there. Let's see the back driver's fender. Back of it's looking good. The door's looking good. Passenger side, rear end's looking good. Doors look really good. The runner looks really good. The metal on the roof looks pretty good. Got the dash is all there. Keys in it even. Even the floor wood is still there. This one's been preserved pretty nice. The wipers. Let's see, the fender's got a little vibration tear in it and a dent here. Nice honeycomb radiator. Headlight buckets, little dent in the top of that. Fender feels pretty good. Yeah, fender feels really good. Hood looks good, cowl looks good. Driver's side doors and the runner panel here. This body's really nice on this. Let's see. And the engine's in it. He said they drove it in here. And it's all the hoses, everything. That's looking really nice. Hopefully it'll be easy to start. Okay. All right, so that's the 28 Chevy. And then, oh God. This is the 1950 Crosley. This will be coming out today. And it's got 20,000 original miles on it, he says. And it ran when it came in here too. All part of why they're probably inside the barn. Now it's got some heavy dust on it, so I'm not sure of any minor stuff, but looking at the body on it, nothing major, looks like. Got the glass in the windshield. Door panel looks good. Dash is all there, keys are in it. Windows broke over there. This one, oh, I thought that was broken. That's actually supposed to be like that. Oh, okay, this is the front piece. I think it moves forward. It is chipped back here though. Quarter panel looks good. Headliner is falling out, but it looks pretty complete. Back seats in it. Roof looks pretty good. Quarter panels, good again. Looks like there is no deck lid, but the rear of it doesn't open is what I mean. It's all one piece of panel. Itty bitty wheel. Quarter panel. Wheels, windows. So it's missing some glass. The roof looks good. I guess if you want something from the back, you just crawl over the back seat. There's fenders. Fender. Yeah, it's all looking really complete. And then he's got parts for this too that are got bumpers for them up here, looks like. And then there's a panel, the front grille, I think, is here for it. Looks like, I think there was some stuff in another barn too. There's the hood for the same year, right? 50 Crosley?
Yes.
And was there anything?
There's a couple of doors for it and a trunk lid.
Oh, right there on the ground. Trunk lid? Oh, the wagon.
The wagon.
I was gonna say, I see a truck over there. Is that to the Crosley?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, what is that?
This is the top part of the lid for the wagon.
Okay, so I'm gonna assume these two are pieces for it as well, somewhere.
I think they are. Yes. Yeah. Both of balance.
Oh, okay. And probably this too is looking like it.
Yep. Those door panels.
Door panel inside.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set up the camera. You can watch me pull her out. Okay, here we go. We got her loaded. Loading was the easy part. Getting it out of the shed was the hard part. Sorry for the wind. It is what it is. But we got ourselves a 1950 Crosley and a 1928 Chevy four-door sedan in impeccable shape. I must say, the more I look at it, I can, I'll work on getting the hinges taken care of and get things lined up a little bit better so it looks better than this. But when I talk about condition, I'm talking about just how straight the panels are and complete and everything. And then to just make use of my space, I got this Snowmobile on here. I don't think I know the make of it, but it's a model SS433. Yeah, I'm not sure of the make of this one. But if you know, please inform me. I am always open to information. Yeah, I'm not seeing any kind of a tag or anything on that. Then I got this one here. This one is an Arctic Cat Panther model exactly. I don't know if it's got a model number, if it just goes by Panther. But I have had several people asking me about this. So if you are interested in it, I have absolutely no interest in snowmobiles. So if this is something you want, I really doubt I'll probably get it running or anything like that unless I'm really bored sometime, because the cars are what interest me. And then I've got a bunch of front axles, Model T, I believe, for the most part. And there's something else back in there, just shoved stuff in there. And I've got Crosley parts here in the back of my truck. repainted, but I think they're going to have to get redone anyway if I wanted to completely redo it. But I got some 37 Ford hubcaps, which I have a 37 Ford, so that's nice, and Crosley bumpers. And I think that's it. So, a good load today. I think I feel productive. I've been wanting to get these out of that shed. So, anyway, we're getting there, guys. I got like, I don't even know, I got like 6 or 7 more cars, I think. And I think I got 8 more vehicles to go and a bunch of parts. So keep on watching.